Here on the Central Coast, no one expected that a 911 call reporting a suspicious vehicle in Ben Lomond would open up a case that would have far-reaching implications involving federal investigation and extremist groups active across the country. But it did.
It was June 6th of last year. Several law enforcement officers were severely injured by gunshots, and Santa Cruz County Sheriff Sergeant Damon Gutzwiller was killed. His suspected killer, Steven Carrillo, is housed in the Santa Rita Jail in Alameda County, facing several felony-related charges, including murder, attempted murder, and possession of explosives.
Action News 8 reporter Phil Gomez recently spoke with Santa Cruz County Sheriff Jim Hart about preventing future attacks.
You want me to hold your dog?
No, stay back. There's a gun right at your feet.
Oh.
Since that incident, we've beefed up a lot of our security measures. We've established a much more robust intelligence unit, and we're tracking a lot of these people that may want to cause our community or our police harm.
Before that deadly day last June, Steven Carrillo was never on the Santa Cruz County Sheriff's radar.
We weren't aware of him. I'm not saying that some of our federal partners weren't, but locally we did not have that information.
It was a white van that got their attention after a 911 call by a concerned individual who happened upon the parked vehicle. Inside there were explosives, ammunition, and weapons. Investigators later determined it was the same van used in the May 29th murder of Oakland federal officer David Patrick Underwood. The U.S. Attorney has also charged Carrillo for Underwood's murder.
I would describe him as that lone wolf, just one angry guy that is going to go hurt some people. And really, those are the folks. I'm concerned about the extremists. I am. But I'm also concerned about these lone wolf shooters that just pop up, cause a whole bunch of harm.
The sheriff's office has an intelligence unit that monitors a lot of different hate groups. They are not targeting a specific organization, but all forms of hate messages and any type of rhetoric that's being written on social media or directly targeting officials.
These people look at themselves as patriots, and there's nothing patriotic about sitting in a bush and sniping a deputy sheriff. I mean, that's just a coward who does something like that. And so these people are far from patriots. They want to cause our community damage. They want to cause our police damage. And I'm going to invest every resource that we have available to make sure that doesn't happen again here in Santa Cruz County.
Carrillo is currently being held in an Alameda County jail for the murder of David Underwood. He's expected to be brought back to Santa Cruz County on June 18th and June 28th to appear for scheduled court hearings for Sergeant Gutzwiller's murder. There is no bail release in place, and he faces the possibility of the death penalty. You can be certain security will be extremely tight during those appearances.
While in custody, Carrillo married his girlfriend. It was a virtual wedding ceremony held at the Alameda County Santa Rita Jail on Christmas Eve. In Santa Cruz, Phil Gomez, KSBW, Action News 8.
Sergeant Damon Gutzwiller's name has been added to the National Law Enforcement Officer Memorial in Washington. It will be read during a virtual candlelight vigil Thursday. That will be live streamed to the public at 5 o'clock our time.